Hi, welcome all the 7th Standard students to my English class. Today we are going to do activity number 8. Take your text and turn to page number 16. Okay. Read the description about the boy in the story. How far is the river? Please listen. He was about 12 years old, a sturdy boy with untidy black hair and shining black eyes. He had fine features and a clear brown skin, but his hands and feet were rough and scratched. He was barefooted, not because he couldn't afford shoes, but because he liked the feel of warm stones and cool grass. Then, what are the words used to describe the boy? First word is given physique. Here, physique, which is the word here describe the boy. Physique. Sturdy. Sturdy means strong, sturdy. Then hair. That is black, untidy black hair, black. Then eyes, shining black eyes, black. Then skin, brown skin. Then last, hands and feet. Rough and scratched. Hands and feet. Rough and scratched. Then, what are the words used to describe the boy? Physique, sturdy, hair, black, eyes, black, skin, brown, hands and feet, rough and scratched. Then, B part. The boy meets a girl on his way to the river. Describe the girl with reference to the following. Write it below. Appearance, attitude, behavior. Then, before describing the girl, we can study about the elements of a description, that is describing people. Which are the elements of describing people? First, we have to write an introduction about it. Introduction. The introduction is when, where and how you first met the describing person, describing boy or girl. When, where and how. When, where and how you met the describing person, either it is a boy or a girl. So then the physical appearance. Second point is physical appearance. Start with the general features, that is the height, build, age, etc. You have to mention the height or build, age, etc. Then move on to the more specific ones, that is hair, eyes, nose, etc. Second element is physical appearance. Here we can start with the general features, that is height, build, age, etc. and move on to the more specific ones, that is hair, eyes, nose, etc. Then you can also add a description of the clothes the person likes to wear, that is attitude or behavior. Another is attitude or behavior. Attitude. Here we can write about the clothes the person likes to wear. Look, here is a picture given to you, that is Ammu's picture. Look at the board. Ammu's picture is given for you. Then how can we describe this Ammu? Is she tall? Yes, she is tall. Is she slim? Yes, she is slim. So, Ammu is tall, slim in her early 20s. Ammu is tall, slim in her early 20s. She has got black hair. She has got black hair and brown eyes. She has got black hair and brown eyes. What about her dress? She usually wears jeans and top. She usually wears jeans and top. This is Ammu's description. Now we can go back to our question. The boy meets a girl on his way to the river. Describe the girl with reference to the following. Write it down. Do you remember the girl? What is she carrying? She was carrying a long curved knife with her. So now we can start to describe her. The brown-eyed girl I met in the valley is holding a curved knife with an air of self-reliance. The brown-eyed girl I met in the valley was holding a curved knife with an air of self-reliance. She was alone, but her fearless and perfectly relaxed manners instilled in me the determination to continue my journey to the river. She was alone, but her fearless and perfectly relaxed manners instilled in me the determination to continue my journey to the river. Her bangles made music when she moved her hands, and it was as though the hands spoke a language of their own. Then the brown-eyed girl I met in the valley was holding a curved knife with an air of self-reliance. On his way to the river, the boy met a girl secondly. First he met a woodcutter. Secondly, he met a girl who was carrying a long curved knife. The brown-eyed girl I met in the valley was holding a curved knife with an air of self-reliance. She was alone, but her fearless and perfectly relaxed manners instilled in me the determination to continue my journey to the river. First of all, the boy, after meeting the girl, he thought that it is better to go back. He asked her, how far is the river? Then she replied, 20 miles. The boy was disappointed, but her fearless and perfectly relaxed manners instilled in me the determination to continue my journey to the river. Her bangles made music when she moved her hands, and it was as though the hands spoke a language of their own. The brown-eyed girls I met in the valley was holding a curved knife with an air of self-reliance. She was alone, but her fearless and perfectly realized manners instilled in me the determination to continue my journey to the river. Her bangles made music when she moved her hands, and it was as though the hands spoke a language of their own. Let's see answer. The boy meets a girl on his way to the river. Describe the girl with reference to the following. Write it below. The answer is given at the end of this video. Okay, we can stop here.